Good morning. I'm Mrs.D.Maithra, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce with Information Technology. Now I'm going to discuss a topic on documentation involved in material accounting. So material is mainly based upon the procurement, where the flow of material in the production pipeline may be systematically recorded and processed by the storekeeper. So here material control is based on the provisions of the required quantity of the material at the required time with the minimum capital investment. So many material consumed in the production department to produce the items directly or indirectly. So in few days, raw material is commonly called as a inventory in work in progress, finished goods, and in stock where the storekeeper maintained. Next, materials are uh, accomplished through periodical reports and records relating to purchasing, receiving, and inspection of the raw material. So we have a different documentation involved in material accounting. First one is store ledger. So the store ledger is used to maintain a separate portfolio to keep the individual stock item. So it is not only recording the quantity details of stock movement, but also it record the rate and value of the stock movement and where the storekeeper maintain, and they can ascertain the value of the stock at any time. They have three stages, that is maximum, minimum, and reorder level. Next one is bin card. So bin card indicates the level of each particulars at the point of time. It is attached in the concerned bin or a rack or a place where the raw material is stored. It record all the receipt of particular items of material and issue. They give a information relating to physical movement, and it is recorded on the basis of receipt, issue, and balance method. Next one is material return note. If the material received from the stores are not suitable for the quality, if they are surplus material, it can be returned to the storekeeper, called material return note, by evidencing the return of material from department to store. Next one is material transfer note. If the materials are transferred from one department or a job to another within the organization, then the material transfer note should be raised. It is a record of the transfer of material between store, cost center, or cost unit, showing all the data for making necessary accounting details. Next, stores requisition note. So it is also called as material requisition note, where the production or other department requires material from the store. It raises a requisition, which is an order of an store for the material required for execution of the work order. This note is signed by the department in charge of the concerned department. If the documents with authorize the issue of a specified quantity of material. Next one is goods received note, that is GRN. Once the inspection is completed, GRN is prepared by the store department, and the copies of GRN is sent to the purchasing department, where the costing department, accounts department, and production department, which initiated the purchase requisition. Next one is material inspection note. Here it is main inspection will be based on the supplier, where usually provide a document called delivery nota, delivery advice, which is used to confirm the details of the materials involved, where the materials are unloaded, and warehouse staff check the material unloaded with the delivery note, and then warehouse staff prepare the material receipt note, and a copy which is given to the supplier carries a proof of delivery. Next one is purchase order. If the purchase requisition is received by the purchasing department is an order, then it will call a tenders or a quotation from the suppliers of the material. After receiving the tenders, they have a prospective inquiries regarding the supplier and give the requirement for requesting the details available, and the quotation will be compared with place order, the suppliers who provide necessary goods at the competitive price. Bills of material. So bills of material is a comprehensive list of material where the specification and the codes of the quantity of material required for the particular job uh, or production unit. It will include the substitute material and planning the department for execution and specified job work. Next, purchase requisition. Requisition is an instruction to buyer office to the purchase goods or services. It states the quantity and description of the quantity. The manager in charge of the purchase department will give a stores in charge, departmental head, and a person requiring goods before placing an order. So, if the present stock run down to the reorder level, it may use a purchase requisition to the purchase department for authorizing the department to order further stock.